Hello, welcome back to Sokobond. I'm gonna continue up here. We were busy doing the challenge levels for blue, so we can work on those. Up next, I think we have construction. So as a recap, blue dots are rotations, red dots are destroyers, and we are supposed to form a full molecule like this. And so I believe the molecule that's going to form here is ethanol. Which involves like a plus shaped sort of thing. But obviously I don't want to do that first. How do I want to do this? Interesting. There you go. This is what I wanted. I want to do this so that I can slide right between them to form ethanol. Oh, methanol, sorry. Barely distilled alcohol can contain methanol, which causes blindness. Yikes. Okay, what is that? Batelier. Oh, very French sounding name, but it does allow us to... Wow. Okay, so what is supposed to form here? Methanol, but a diol, so two alcohol groups. Two alcohol groups seems okay. Either that or some sort of peroxide thing. Alright, so I have to go into one of these, and I don't know which one I can go into. To be fair, doing that does stuff, but... It gets us stuck very quickly. What the... Okay. This is very awkward. Alright, let's not do that first. Let's see what else I can do first. So interestingly enough, I can do that. I can retrieve an oxygen and bring it around. So if I want to form an ethane diol, this is probably something that I have to do. It's close, but not quite. I want to bring this in first. I don't know if this is useful though. Can I do this? Is that okay? Maybe actually. No, it's not very okay. Okay. It's kind of close, but not exactly what I want. Can I do this? I think we proved that this is horrible. Yeah. I mean, maybe that's okay. Not really. Not much is okay after this point. You're coming from other sides though. I can come in through here, which may be an okay thing. Whoa, what is that? That is, I don't know if that's what I want. Okay, this is actually kind of challenging to work with, because there's a lot of stuff I can and cannot do, and I'm not entirely sure what I can and cannot do. So let's see, I can do this and retrieve you. Yeah, this is basically the same things I did over here, right? It's very volatile is the problem. It's very volatile, this situation. Can I do that? Is that okay? Is this somehow okay? It's interesting, I guess, but it's definitely not something that I want to do. Maybe instead of pushing this out. I can't put it anywhere else though, is the thing. I still need to retrieve this oxygen, which I cannot at the moment. I can do this, yeah. I can leave it like that. But I can't actually get in when I'm doing this, right? Yeah. Okay, so it's actually not very useful to do that. So I feel like generally I just have to start moving stuff around before I can do anything. So like this maybe, but not quite. I need that last oxygen to be with hydrogen here. I need to move around the last hydrogen. So like this? Oh wow, okay. Methane diol. That's a very interesting little structure as an infinity symbol. This is used in some hair straightening products, but can release toxic formaldehyde. Formaldehyde, which is the aldehyde thing that we produced somewhere before. Alright, next. Pendant. Is this really a pendant? It looks like a fire symbol. Right, we're supposed to form methanol here, so there are only a few places we can place the plus shape, either here or here. And so I need to find some way to try and place them in. I can do this and move you out. I can do the same over here. So this is plausible. I can also try and straighten like so. But do I want this? This is where the issue is, right? Because I can't make this straight. That is, unless before I did all of this, I first set one of you guys up. It's pretty hard to set one of you guys up though. I can do this. That's a way I can set something up. And I think that might be useful. Maybe. Maybe not. But this is the same issue as we had before, I think. I basically need something to be above me. Which, can I have that? Can I have something above me? It's quite tough to have something above me. But let's see if I can make that happen. No, once I'm in there, I get stuck, so. This is not very close to what I want. So yeah, the challenge for now is to get something on top of the carbon, which may not be as easy as it appears to be. Generally, I want to move one of these hydrogens over to the other side. Can I make that happen? I think the answer is yes if I did this. Then I could try hard enough to get hydrogen over to the other side. Now I can collect you. But does this help? That gets a hydrogen above me, but I think that's not the right thing I want. I can also do this, but that doesn't really do much for me. Maybe I have to do something like that. Shift it around and stuff. I don't know if this is okay or not though. Like maybe this is fine? This was kind of scuffed. I'm shifting stuff around. I don't think I really like it. Yeah, that kind of sucks. Let's not have that happen. Let's do this. It's the same problem. It's the same problem where I can't really do anything about. And once I break you, you bond together. I don't want this. Okay. This is also bad. I was thinking of doing that, but that's what I want to do at the end though. And I can't reverse it and put something on top of me using the same method. This looks maybe okay. Wait, this is something on top of me. Hold on. Wait, what did I do? Oh, I pulled this up and I went over around like that. Okay. I'm not gonna get everything around though, so before I set this up, I will set all of this up first. Okay. The thing is I can't go up here because once I do this I can't actually get back. So I have to set other stuff up first, so maybe I have to put this in before I start. So I have to start with putting something inside here and then moving stuff over. The problem is I can't leave it there unless I go around completely. It's a little scuffed as well. Is this maybe sort of what I want? I don't think so. I'm stuck over here. Because I don't want to touch this. I more want to touch you instead. And then bring stuff over. And sort of not have it work. I don't know. Yeah, doing that is bad. And then yeah, I see. Where do I want to leave something? Where do I want to leave something? So I could leave it there, but right now the only way I know how to put something on top of me is to leave it here and then go around completely. Which I don't even know how to do anyway. I forgot how to do it. So I need to leave you here first. That's how I do it. Right. And I can get stuff on top of you like so. But I don't want that, do I? Unless I do want that somehow. So I could do this. I could do that. Does this make any difference? Oh, yes it does, and it's quite a difference, which I don't like. Although I can push you around, maybe that's okay. I can't leave like this now though, so I had to put you somewhere. I think at this point we might be not in a good position anymore. Yeah. Maybe I don't pull you, maybe I just... Oh, but this is bad as well. It's like... So if I did pull... I have to do this. But that breaks a lot of stuff. And I don't know how I would fix this. Can I... Yeah, I can't... This is just a stuck position, right? It doesn't feel like it does anything useful for me. And pulling down also doesn't work for this. So yeah, so the main difference is the two blues over here. Which may or may not be a good thing. Okay, so maybe I start doing this first. Oh, but I need to bring this back out. No. Not even if I pulled you along, it wouldn't make much of a difference. Where do I leave something? It's like... Can I leave something in this little area down here? I'll need to be bringing it from above, right? I need to do something like this. And now it's there. So alright. But whenever I move up here, it doesn't really work anymore. And so... How do I escape this area then? It's like, do I have to... move you away first? Maybe. Maybe this is okay. No, it's not okay. It's like maybe this is okay, but it doesn't feel very okay to me. Yeah, because it faces the same problem of the two H's bonding to each other. And if that happens, then it happens, and I don't know how to fix it. Like that? That's different, I guess. Different as in something else is happening. I can keep doing this stuff, but I don't know if it's gonna help eventually. Oh, there it is. I don't know what I did, but all right, looks like I got it. There you go. Pendant. Methane is the most abundant organic compound on Earth. Yeah, considering it's the simplest one. It is the simplest one. Okay, so there we go. Now we got teal, which I assume is a mixture of green and blue. I don't want to touch that first. I want to touch grey first. Helium. Alright, let's take a look at helium. Helium, hello. You are helium. You're a block that does nothing, basically. So I can push you in before bonding to you. Okay, X is a null block, basically. NASA's helium balloons can float as high as 110,000 feet, or 33 kilometers. Wow. At that height, the pressure is going to be really, really low. Oh, we got something very similar, but not quite. T. I don't want that to happen. So I probably want to do that. Probably want to do this. And then this. Alright, there you go. Cool. Oh wow, the helium rotates around your... Okay. Helium molecules are small enough to leak through glass. Therefore, by the same logic, so are hydrogen atoms. Okay, so yeah, helium is a noble gas, meaning it doesn't bond with anything. What do I want to do with this? Is this okay? Yes, there you go. Ionizing smoke alarms contain radioactive material which emits helium. And that radioactive material which emits helium is known as alpha radiation, which releases an alpha particle that is basically a helium atom, but it is more considered a particle consisting of 2 protons and 2 neutrons, which is the helium thing, but without the electrons around it. Alright, against the wall. We do have something that's against the wall here. Okay, this is a very Sokoban thing. This is extremely Sokoban. Like, look at that. So I just need to put I need to put all of these around here. Okay, and then by pushing the entire column upwards, I can push this over. There you go. Some radioactive decay emits alpha particles, which are helium nuclei. Exactly. Chemistry. Now we should learn that in physics, but yeah. Pathways. Alright, being here again. So you have a lot of this to... I cannot do this. This is wrong. So I have to push one of these down? Really? No, I don't think so. Yeah, I do have to push one of these down to get under the others. Right? So like something like this maybe? Yeah, okay. That feels right. Yeah, okay, I see. And then what I do is I push you up and over to act as a hook to pull you back out. Cool. Near absolute zero, a helium forms a superfluid, which is a liquid that climbs walls. Alright, let's keep moving. Cloud. Oh, what the? Alright, there's just helium everywhere. It is a cloud of helium gas. Although clouds are not actually made of helium. But I guess we just have to navigate this thing to move stuff around. Okay, let's start with you. And then you? No. Okay. Maybe I need to push you guys out first so I can do that. Yeah, so I can do this. Almost. And I can push you down, which is maybe a good thing. But the problem is, how do I bond with you? None of these are good enough for that. Not good. No, that's definitely not good either. Alright, this looks like a mess. What is this? This? No. Oh, I see. I can push in here. Wow. That's a lot of helium. Helium is used to cool the magnets in a Large Hadron Collider at CERN. I forgot what CERN stands for. Yeah, but they have the Large Hadron Collider. And it collides particles together with huge magnets that accelerate the particles. Alright. Planning. Okay, what is this? My guess is you need to create a hook. But how? See, this doesn't allow the hook to be formed. But I'm pretty sure I need to do this, right? Because can I form 2 hooks? Oh, maybe I can form 2 hooks. Wow. I can form a hook, a vertical hook instead. And we have 2 blocks over here which we can just push around. So a vertical hook and a horizontal hook which will hook to each other. So yeah, so here is one. Then the other one goes over here. And with both of them we can push them together to form ethane. Alright, helium moves fast enough to escape Earth's gravity. Oh my goodness, I am going all the way back to all my education concepts. Yes, moves fast enough to escape Earth's gravity. You technically, I believe escape gravity relies on only velocity. It does not rely on mass, but because of us being so much heavier, it is actually practically impossible for us to reach escape velocity unless we use rockets. Alright, let's keep going. 3 doors. I think we'll unlock this one next. 3 doors, alright. I definitely need to push one of these up, and I cannot do this because if I did that, nothing can go on top of the carbon to form that. So like, maybe this is okay. That's a problem though. Well, I can push you down first? But, see, something needs to be on the left and right of that as well. Okay, maybe yes, maybe what I could do. Yeah, okay, here we go. I could move you over, which sets it up so that 2 bonds happen at once. I could set up the last one over here, and then move this over to here. Okay. Sweet, this is a lot more Sokobond than like all the other levels. At normal pressure, helium will never solidify, however much it is cooled. Normal pressure, yeah, because pressure also affects freezing points. But at normal pressure, the helium's freezing point is below absolute zero, which is I think minus 273 degrees Celsius, somewhere around there. Oh, we got challenge levels. Okay, next impasse. Oh wow, we do have a lot of this to go. Right, how are we? Again, we got a impasse, right? We gotta form the stuff here. So what's wrong with this? Oh, I see. By doing this and moving one away. Well, I still don't see the real problem though. Yeah, maybe the problem comes here or something. Yeah. Alright, I see. So why don't I do something? Okay. There is some problem. It's just we'd have to tell what the problem is. I don't think that's okay. I don't really know what I want to do. I mean, I can almost do this, but like the last one is just not enough for us. And that's because I moved this helium in some direction, which blocks us from doing that. So maybe we want to organize these heliums to be in more favorable spots. So like, yeah, like that one I can just place, right? This one I can just do like that, and I can move these around. In fact, I think it's okay to just... Yeah, it's okay to just do this. There we go. Helium, Whoa, what? Oh, the Declaration of Independence was kept in helium from 1951 until 2003. I wonder what stopped them. Okay. Fetch. Ah, we are encased in a box of helium. And... Right, because if I do that, I will be unable to... Okay, and if I did this, I'll be pushing them out. Alright, I see. So the point is to push you guys around so that... I don't want to get you guys stuck though. Is this okay? I feel like it's not. Yeah, maybe this? So I move this all away. But I don't want to bond down. The helium at the bottom must be one that's bonded down. So how am I gonna get this helium in the right spot? How am I gonna get any of them in the right spot? Because I can't move upwards, otherwise I bond and cannot reach the helium at the bottom. Oh, it is possible to do something like that though. That's fine. So maybe that's what I want to do. I want to move all this stuff away first. Like this? Yeah, okay. Well, I don't know how I'm going to do this though, because maybe what I want to do is instead move you down a bit. Okay, so maybe more like... yeah, but now that I'm doing that, I don't feel right anymore. Like that? Oh, it's almost there, but I don't think it's close enough. And I can't actually bond horizontally until I reach the bottom. There first. Not to mention, I probably also cannot be bonding with it above me. It's a setup puzzle. It's a setup. Where do I set everything up? Almost. So I can do that. That's a way to get stuff out. Yeah, and then I can do this. Is this good? Oh, but I can't bond down. Yeah, I can't bond downwards to any of these. I can do that, but this one is stuck. Oh, hold on. I don't know. That's maybe close, but not really that close. Maybe this is better? I don't really see what difference that would make. It's like, do I really want to do... Like, these have to be pushed out, right? They can't be... Well, they could be pushed in other directions. So yeah, that... See, I don't know if this is retrievable anymore. Yeah, that's fine, but I still need to retrieve the one at the bottom, which would complicate a whole lot of things. I feel like this is no longer retrievable at all. Yeah, no longer retrievable, so I can't put any of these out. I also cannot do that. So I can bond vertically, like this, but is this good? It's like maybe. But really? Necessarily? No, not quite. Actually, what else can I do? Oh, you know what else I could do? If I could get this helium out, which yeah, okay, I can. I need to get this helium out. I can do it like that, but I can't push it down. I don't know if this is good either. Because I want to push this helium downwards without bonding to the H, which I can do if I got one of the heliums to do that for me. It's like technically this might work. Actually, it wouldn't even work because there would be two H's. HEs. Like maybe I have to do this first to push you down. But how do I set everything else up to do that? I could do this, but yeah, this one's not, it's kind of stuck. So it's like, I can push you down now, but isn't that the exact same problem? I think it is. And it's like, if I did it with both here and here, is that okay? Oh my god, it is. Wow. I don't know why it took me so long to see that. Most of the helium in the universe was created in the first 3 minutes. Yeah, Big Bang kind of science. Alright, out of the way. Oh my goodness. I am 1 in like 12 helium atoms here. I need to form water. Jeez, alright. Well, how shall we begin? Doing this is no use, I get stuck, so I have to escape from somewhere else. And I believe I might have to escape from here. But if I did... See, the problem of doing this is that one of the H's is always going to be on the side here. And by symmetry, I can prove that either one works, honestly. But how do I get this H out? Well... I can't push this in, right? But I could push this up, which could be useful. It could allow me to do some stuff like what? Like what? Because I could push this up, yeah, that's still valid. It's like that space over there in the corner doesn't really, you know, do anything, so I can push that over. But, you know, how do I... The only way to join this to here is by making a horizontal OH and then pushing it in. I think. So like, can I get any of these H's out of the way? HE's out of the way. I think maybe if I tried this, that would be fine. Yeah, but... Okay, see, even if I open one of the corners up completely, how do I get the other H out? How would I get the other H out? How would I get the other H out? I could do it like this. Oh yeah, and then by pushing the HE away, this gives us enough space. So now I could yeah, I see what I do now. I push this over, I push the H up, and there we go. Move the H out of the way. 24% of the universe is helium by mass, but an even greater percentage is hydrogen, I think. And finally, drill. Drill, huh? This looks like a drill. Cool, we gotta make diazine again. So very interestingly, I think to bond with this, one of the nitrogens will bond with it, obviously. But that means that there must be another hydrogen to its left or right. And by symmetry, I can probably say that it could be either. So maybe what I do is do this first to hook it out. I can do the same over here, maybe? Oh, but it's a slightly different problem. Where it's not doable anymore. Because this thing is a bit big. Is this okay? I don't know if it's okay or not. Cause yeah, once I do this, it's stuck as well. That feels bad. I don't want to do that. So I definitely want to do this first. And then hook you out. Like this. Can move you again. Oh, I can do... I can move you over here to do this, but technically, yeah, there is no more hook. I can hook you back down, but I can't hook you over to the right. Maybe we can do this? Is this okay? Yeah, maybe a hook like this is fine. But once again, that doesn't really work. And in fact, once the nitrogen has bonded with one of the things on the side, right, it cannot bond with anything else. So the two hydrogens must be bonded to the topmost nitrogen like that. Okay. So, is this the only way we can start? By doing this and then doing this. Actually, you know what? I think so. I think actually we do this last. So I do this first. Yeah, I move you in the corner. I can... Oh, I can't pull you out. Okay, so maybe I make... So I want to make the hook first, right? So maybe I do this, and I make the hook first. But, okay, even if I did make the hook, I couldn't actually pull you out. I was like, if I created a hook here on the right side, I would be able to pull you out, but no, it's still too deep. Okay. Well, it still remains that the first and only step I think is definitely required is this step. We can't replicate that on the other side. And I definitely can't get you out once you're in here. So this is the last item we have. Maybe this? It's like, is this okay? Oh yes, I can pull you out from here. Wow. There you go. Wow. Helium's name derives from Helios, the Greek for sun, even though the sun is like majority hydrogen. Okay. Very cool. Oh wow. Do you do more? I don't know if we have time for more. I mean, this could be a very short episode. So yeah, I think we did like, what, 2 levels up in the challenges, and then we just learned about heliums here. So I think I'm happy enough with that. Yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.